In this video, we're going to talk about our Gantt labels a bit more. A common request we have is, can I display notes? Can I bring notes into the system that I want? Notes are helpful for communicating. So we have built that in, yes, and I'll show you how to display them and where you can easily modify your notes. So we're all used to the jobs pane. If I open up a job, this is my activities grid over here. But if I open up a job, this is where we said there's a bunch of information. Everything is in here. So on the job header, I have a notes area. And then on the MO line, I have a notes area in here someplace. Notes. And then on the operation level, I have notes. And then on the activity level, I have notes. So all of these areas, they can all be imported. Okay, you can import from your ERP. If you've got a note field you're importing, it can come right in. If you wanted to easily add a note in PlanetTogether, however, you can use our activity pane. It's really, really great for this. You'll see my resources on the left. We've talked about the activity pane before. So I've got an activity selected. I can go down to my Notes tab at the bottom, simply add activity notes, or I can add notes to the operation that this activity corresponds to. Same thing with manufacturing order and job. So for job C, I know it's on resource 2. I'm going to say this is a job note. I'm going to copy and paste that across. So copy and pasting is definitely accepted. It's an activity note. This is an op note, and this is an MO note. And I can save that. So there, those notes are saved. Now I want to add them to the Gantt. So I can come to my labels again. You've seen this before. Come to my block label. And I like job name, and then I'm going to make a notes. If I can spell right. A notes area. And I'll say this is a job. This is the MO, this is the operation, and this is the activity. And let's do this. Now we got to find our fields. So, job, it's as easy as this, guys. Job notes, we'll drag this up to the job notes area. Although, I have to select the right one. And simply delete that one. And let's find my MO notes, right there. My resource operation notes. And let's see, do I have, yes, my internal activity notes. Let's find that. Actually, I think it's called comments on the internal activities. Oh, got stuck up there. Okay, so I've updated my label. I will save and close again, and there you go. So I've easily just added notes to my Gantt label. So this is great. You can bring in any custom text you want and add it in. This really gets flexible. We have some other note fields in the system as well that aren't actually seen or accessed very easily. So if you needed an area to stick some text that you really didn't want to get updated, you can do that as well. The tooltip is also updated with what's in the label block. So if I turn on my tooltips and I hover over this job, you'll see the same information. There's also one other area to see nice information like this. It's called the properties window. So I can right click on a job and go to properties, and it pops over to the right hand side in this case, but I can really put it wherever. I'm actually going to dock it with all my other stuff here. I'll minimize it a little bit. And now I can see all levels. I can see the job, MO, operation, activity. I can see every field associated with them, and the values change when I click on the different jobs in the Gantt. And of course, I can hide and show whatever fields I want here. So to make it simple, let's hide them all. And let's just add my job note over here. If I can find it. Double click it. And there's my job note. This is a job note. I can also select the update on hover, and I can just hover over jobs and the information will change. So very useful, very customizable, and that's the properties window and the tooltips. Thanks for watching.